Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a quick, reliable backup. This protects documents and settings you want to keep. Once done, make sure your PC is plugged in and online so updates won't interrupt. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Choose Reset this PC to begin. You're taking the first actionable step now because a proper reset requires both backup and power. This prevents data loss and stalled, half-complete restores. Now you choose how deep the reset will go. If you want a clean slate, pick Remove Everything. If you need personal files kept, pick Keep My Files. Then choose Cloud Download versus Local Reinstall. Cloud reinstalls fresh files from Microsoft and uses about 3 to 4 GB, while local uses existing files on your drive. Make choices deliberately because they determine what gets deleted and how long the process takes. Confirm prompts about apps and the reset runs automatically. Your device will restart several times. Expect 20 to 60 minutes depending on hardware. When complete, walk through Windows Setup, reinstall critical apps, and restore your backup files. Then run Windows Update until no updates remain to ensure security. If the process stalls or you see errors, reboot into safe mode or use a USB recovery drive to retry the reset. That troubleshooting step gets you unstuck without losing additional data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.